Hi and welcome to this very different video. I hope you're all safe and coping with being stuck indoors, if that's what's happening in your country, in your region. I hope you're all safe and I hope that we all get through this difficult time. I'm sat outside. I'm lucky enough to work in a garden in a 300-acre estate, so I have all this beautiful countryside to self-isolate in, so I've been quite fortunate. Right, in this short video I'm going to introduce a fantastic product that I've just discovered, the FW multimedia canvases. They are by Rowney and they have a stiff backing board. So unlike a standard canvas which has a lot of give in it, this has a backing board which makes it rigid, which makes it ideal for if you use resin, because the canvas itself, rather than bow down in the middle, which can happen with resin unless you support the canvas underneath, this rigid canvas doesn't bow when the resin's on it. I found them very useful. In the UK, in the store called The Range, they're £14.99 for a 9x12 for a pack of 5, and they're also available in 12x12 inches, and they are £14.99 for a pack of 4. So they are relatively inexpensive. I think they're a great product, and I really do think that they are very useful, perhaps worth that little bit extra from a standard canvas. Over the next couple of days I've got some videos coming of some pours that I'm doing, and also I'm going to start a series of acrylic pouring for beginners, right from the beginning, to how to prepare your canvas, preparing your paints, talking about pouring mediums, and then I'm going to go through all the basic pours. I'll also be doing some other pours on glass vases. I really do enjoy pouring on glass, and doing some ring pours, and I'm also going to try some of the other pours. I'm going to make the most of the time. Although I'm still working, I actually have a week's holiday this week. I'm going to try we've got a bee coming in, wanted to get into on the action, and lost where I am. I'm going to try a pour on bubble wrap, which I've seen, which that looks quite exciting. So okay, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Okay, thank you and goodbye, and stay safe.